In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the opening stock value in Zoho Inventory. Setting up your opening stock value is an important step in inventory management, as it helps you keep track of what you have on hand and ensures your records are accurate from the start. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Items section within Zoho Inventory. Once there, you'll locate and select the Items option. This section houses all of your inventory products where you can view, manage, and update details for each item. It's essentially the control center for everything you have in stock. Next, you'll need to add a new item to your inventory. For this, simply click on the plus New Item button. This action brings up the item creation form, where you'll input various details about this particular stock item you're adding. It's crucial to fill out these entries accurately to maintain the integrity of your inventory records. Now, under the Inventory Information panel, you'll see a number of options. Here, you'll want to enable the option that says Track Inventory for this item. This feature ensures that the system monitors the stock levels of the item you're adding, which is vital for maintaining an accurate count of your inventory over time. Tracking inventory will help you prevent stock outages and can also lower carrying costs by reducing excess inventory. Moving on, you will enter the opening stock. The opening stock is essentially the quantity of the item that you currently have on hand. It is important to count these numbers carefully and cross-check them, as this is the base figure from which all future stock levels will be calculated. Accurate input here is pivotal as it affects all subsequent calculations in Zoho Inventory. Following that, enter the opening stock rate per unit. This rate should reflect the cost that you paid for each item. Being precise here is recommended, as this cost will contribute to determining your overall inventory value, impacting your financial metrics such as the cost of goods sold. Once both the quantity and the rate are inputted, Zoho will automatically calculate the opening stock value for you. This value is found by multiplying the quantity by the rate per unit. It's essentially the total value of the items you have in this beginning phase and gives you a snapshot of your inventory value as your business starts to operate or at the start of a new accounting period. By following these instructions, your opening stock value in Zoho Inventory should now be set up accurately. This step is crucial in maintaining a streamlined and efficient inventory management system. It ensures that your records are correct, which helps immensely in running your business smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.